Hey everybody, it's Neil and we have this SALA and this is going to be some shelves that we got. It says SALA something. I can't read it all. It's too small. Too small and I'm too old. So these are little corner shelves. So look at how these are going to be. Like, I can open it up, it'll be like this. And we'll be able to stick it in the corner anywhere. And we can stick it this way, like this, or well, like this, hanging. So probably like that or that, you know, so we can put things into our corners. So how cool is this? So this is gonna be neat. Let's look at how we will do these and see what other parts, pieces of parts there are. I think they come with little tops and stuff for them as well. So we have, so that is the rack that will hang under it. And then we have, these are the pieces of wood. For the actual shelf. I guess that was just the bottom part. Oh, that'll hang under one of these. That's gonna be like this. So one of them will have a shelf under it. And the other ones are just these corner shelves that are nice and pretty and black and nice. And let's see what the hardware to put these together looks like. This is gonna be the hardware kit. And it comes with shelf brackets like these. And it even comes with a screwdriver. So I'm sure you can screw it in and it will take hours and hours with this little one here. And it comes with a level and a bunch of screws. So I guess let's put one of these up and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so here we go. So I got the bracket up and then you got the shelves here, right? So nice black shelf and you put it on top. And I mean, the goal would be to secure it in. I mean, I think I was this way. The goal will be to secure these in with that to make it a little better, but I'll show you guys the concept here. And then this we would screw into there as well. And we will have it be, you know, a shelf under a shelf, I guess. Not exactly sure how I'll end up using it. I might just use these and put some little display things on top and have, comes with 5 of them. So we got plenty of shelves. I mean, there's plenty of shelves and it comes with all these other brackets and stuff too. So it's got everything you pretty much need. So I'm gonna say it's a nice set and very cool. Thumbs up.